You know I love you so much, baby. I can do anything for you. Hey, Tom. And then. You know that I love you so much. Okay, so when are you going to allow me to test this food? All my friends have been testing this food. It's just only me. When will you allow me to test this food?
Wait now, wait a little bit.
What? I've been waiting. Just allow me to do this, baby.
But I'm not ready now.
Are you not ready? Okay, what do you want?
Give me a little time.
Time? I've given you enough time. We have been dating for long now. Just allow me to do this, baby. You know I love you so much.
Hope after doing it, you will not leave me.
I can't do that. You know I love you so much. I can't leave you.
You know I've not done it before.
But there's always a first time in everything. Let's just start it now. Let's do it now. That's the more reason we should do it now. Yeah? Yes.
So what should I do?
Let's just look for a place and do it now. Yeah? Baby, you know that I love you so much. I can do anything for you. I'll buy you a car. I'll buy you a good phone. I'll take you abroad. You know I can do that. My parents have enough money. I can do that for you. You know I love you. Let's just do this thing now. Yeah?
Now?
Yes, now.
Today?
Yes, today.
You will buy me phone?
I'll buy you phone. I'll buy you car. You see that Benz that parked there? I'll buy you that kind of Benz. You know I love you. I can do anything for you.
Okay. So what am I going to do?
Let's just go to one side and do it now. Do it easily, yeah?
All this thing you're promising me, you will do it.
I will do it now. I promised you. I can't do promise and fail. I promise you. You know my parents are wealthy. If I tell them anything now, they will give me. If I tell them I need 1 million, no. They will give me and I'll give you. I will do anything for you. I'll buy you a car. I promise, okay? You know I love you so much. I'll do anything for you. Yeah? Let's just go that side. Let's go to that side. Yeah? You know I love you so much, baby. I can do anything for you. Hey, Tom. And then. Baby, did you like it? So when next are we going to do this again, baby?
My mom is going to the market tomorrow. She goes to market every Wednesday, so I'll call you.
Are you sure you do that? Are you sure you do that? No, I love you so much. I can't do without you. I will do everything for you. I will take you. You know London, Abi? I'll take you to London.
You promise?
Yes, my brother is there. I just want to finish my work and go back. Yeah?
I love you.
I love you, baby. I love you so much.